Hello, everyone. It's me, Mrs. Gronert, and today we are going to learn even more about what are fractions. We've already learned that a written fraction has two parts. The top of the written fraction is called the numerator, and the bottom of the written fraction is called the denominator. The numerator tells the number of parts, and the denominator tells the number of pieces in the whole. We've also learned that to be a fraction, the parts have to be equal. Let's take a look at this picture. What fraction of the shape is green? Think about the numerator. How many parts are green? Remember, the numerator tells the number of parts, and the denominator tells the number of pieces in the whole. So, do you think you know what the fraction might be? Did you say 1/2? That's right. One of the parts is colored green, and there are two parts in total. So the fraction is 1/2. Great work. Let's try another one. Look at this picture. What fraction of the circle is blue? Okay, so first think about the numerator. How many of the parts are blue? Remember, it tells the number of parts. And the denominator tells the number of pieces in the whole. How many pieces are in the whole? Okay, so how many parts are blue? And how many pieces in the whole? Did you get 3/4? If you did, you're right. 3/4 of the circle are colored blue. Let's try another one. Look at this picture. What fraction of the rectangle is red? The numerator tells the number of parts, so how many parts are red? That goes on top. And then the denominator tells the number of pieces in the whole. That will go on the bottom. Write your fraction down. Did you get 1/4? That's right. 1/4 of the rectangle is colored red. Great work. Let's try another one. Okay, look at the circle. What fraction of the shape is yellow? That will be the numerator. How many of the pieces are yellow? Okay, now at the bottom of your fraction, we write the denominator. It tells the number of pieces in the whole. How many pieces are there in the circle? Okay, did you get it? Did you get 2/3? Excellent work. 2/3 of the circle are colored yellow. Great work. Okay, take a look at this picture. What fraction of this shape is purple? So let's look at the numerator. How many of the pieces are purple? And the denominator will show us how many pieces in the whole. Do you have it? Did you write it down? 2/4. 2/4 of the square are purple. Great work. Ooh, here's another square. Look at this picture. What fraction of this shape is yellow? So, remember, the numerator tells the number of parts. That's the number of yellow parts. And the denominator tells the number of pieces in the whole. How many pieces are there all together in the square? So what's the fraction? The fraction is 1/4. 1/4 of the square is colored yellow. Great job. Okay, look at this picture. What fraction of this shape is black? The numerator will tell us how many parts are black, and the denominator will tell us how many pieces are in the whole. Do you have it? Did you write down the fraction? Did you get 1/2? Great job. 1/2 of the heart is colored black. Oh, Here's another one. Look at this picture. What fraction of this shape is red? So look carefully. This one's a little bit tricky. The numerator tells us the number of parts. How many of those parts are red? Yeah, I bet you know. And the denominator tells us how many pieces are in the whole. Do you have it? Did you get 2 halves? That's right. Both of the halves are colored red. So that one's 2 halves. Great work. Okay, now look at this one. Here's another picture. What fraction of this circle is colored yellow? Remember, the numerator tells us the number of parts, and we're looking at yellow parts. Can you count how many? And then the denominator tells us the number of pieces in the whole. Do you have it? Did you get 4/4 are yellow? That's right. All 4 of the parts are yellow. So we write that as 4/4. Great job. Wow, I sure had fun learning about fractions with you today. Thanks for learning with me, and I hope to see you again very soon.